Hey guys, Pete Kopech here. Just taking a minute out in this beautiful courtyard here at this condo complex in Little Ferry. I'm here at 77 Liberty Street, and today I'm bringing to you a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo. We've got low HOA fees, we've got some smart home technology, and a lot of great features, including a walkout right out of the bedroom with sliding glass doors to the deck. Really easy for New York City commuters, and the American dream is right down the street as well. So why don't we go in, check it out.